Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple trick by which you can install multiple softwares on Windows 11 in one click. So that's been said, let's get started. For that, just open your browser and search for 99 and open the link from 99.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll put the link in the description box. 99 is a tool that allows you to install multiple softwares in one click. Here we have different categories of softwares from web browser to utility tools. Here we have web browser, messaging applications, media applications, and other development tools. Say for example, I want to install Opera browser, VLC media player, 7G. After selecting all the programs you want to install on Windows 11, simply click on Get Your 99. And it will download an installer. Simply open this installer. Here you can see it is preparing the setup. Let me minimize the browser. And you don't need to do anything, it will automatically download all the softwares and it will get installed on your Windows 11 computer, as you can see here. And here you can see all the software has been installed in one click. Here we have the softwares. So this way you can install multiple softwares on Windows 11 using 99. So that's it for this video. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.